Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Temu account. So Temu is an online shopping platform. If you want to create the account, first of all launch open Temu application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Temu application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface at bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. Find the option for you and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface you'll be able to find the option for sign in or register. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in or register interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email, continue with phone number. So you can simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. If you also want to create the account with your email, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. So simply tap on the field, please enter your email address. Now what you have to do is provide your email address over here. After you do it, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must be at least 8 characters. Also do not use the password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. So simply create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you create the password, what you have to do is tap on the register option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you can also add the phone number if you want. If you want to add the phone number, simply select the country code and enter your phone number and tap on the submit option. After that you'll have to verify your phone number. Right now I'm just going to skip it. Now you can see over here your Temu account is easily created. So like this you'll be able to create the Temu account. So that is how you create Temu account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.